Dora, Dora, Dora the Explorer!
Dora! Hola, I'm Dora. We're going on an adventure to the CNC world today. Let's go! This is my friend, Backpack.
Backpack, yeah!
Can you guys help me and Backpack in completing our final project? But before that, we will need to explain first what CNC is.
Computer Numerical Control, or CNC in short, is the automated control of machining tools by means of a computer. A CNC machine processes a piece of material to meet specifications by following coded programmed instructions and without a manual operator directly controlling the machining operation.
Now that's out of the way, here's the supposed look of our final project. But for us to achieve that, we need to find all of the needed books. Click on each book that I asked for. I'll tell you what book I'm looking for, and when you see it, click on it. We need to find 5 books. Find the book that is blue.
Hello, this is Jana. The first step is to input the sizes. For the workpiece length is 100, diameter is 80, and lastly, the clamp length is going to be 15.
Find the book that is green.
Next are the tools that we are going to use. First in the tools catalog is 026 contour turning. First size is 93, second is 142, distance is 9.52, radius is 0.4, z-axis is 60.7, and x-axis is 90. Counter turning operation is used to create irregular profiles by using a CNC lathe. In this operation, the cutting tools move in a predefined contour path which creates a contour shape. Next is 098 groove turning. Unlike turning operations, where you cut workpiece in multiple directions, a grooving tool is normally used to cut in a single direction only. Grooving is a turning operation that creates a narrow cut or a groove in the workpiece. The size of the cut has a width of 3 and depth of 25 as a cutting tool in our project. Next tool is 103 metric threading. Threading is a turning operation in which a tool moves along the side of the workpiece, cutting threads in the outer surface. A thread is a uniform helical groove of specified length and pitch, and here we are going to use a length of 60 and a pitch of less than or equal to 3.0. Last tool that we're going to use is 178 drilling. Drilling is the process of creating a round hole in a workpiece. The result of drilling is a hole with a diameter equal to the size of the utilized drill bit. Drill bits are usually positioned either on a tailstock or a lathe tool holder. And here, we are going to drill a hole with a diameter of 22.0. All in all, the third complete set are 026 contour turning, 098 groove turning, 103 metric threading, and 178 drilling.
Find the book that is red.
Let's input our G-codes where turning, cutting, and drilling will be performed. T1, which is the first tool that we set in the tool catalog. Next is G97 to cut the material at a constant speed of 2000 while using tool 1 and MO3 to end the use of G97 code. Next is G00, X80, and Z1 to move rapidly in linear interpolation. Next is G71, U3, R2 to remove the rough excess material from the component. Next is G71, P10, Q20, U 0.1, W 0.1, F 0.5. Next is N10, G01, X30, Next, X32 Z negative 2, Z negative, Z negative 20, and X45. GO2 to move along a circular arc from its current position to X50, Z negative 25, R5. G01 to cut in a straight line at work feed, Z will be negative 40, and X will be 63. X 65, Z negative 42, Z, next is Z negative 45.5.
Find the book that is yellow.
Next is the G03, then the X65, then Z57, R10, and F0.3. G01, then Z62.5, F0.4, X72, Z70, X77, X82, and Z73. N20 and G00, then X81, then Z0. G28, then G97, S3500, M03. Next is G00, X81, Z0, followed by G70, P10, next is Q20, and F0.2. Repeat the G28, M06, and T2. Then G00, X51, and Z32. G75, R2, then G75, X46.5, Z32, P3500, Q0, F0.3, then Z20, followed by X33, then G75, R2.
Find the book that is purple.
And then we have G75, X27, Z-20, P2500, Q0, F0.3. Next is G01, X44. And then Z-18. And then X33. X27, Z-20. Next is X44. And then G28. Then we're going to use M06, which is to stop and change tool, and T3 for cutting speed. Next to that will be G97, S600. And then G00, X32,
and Z2. Next will be G76, which is for multiple threading cycle. P0 20060, and then Q200 and R100. Next is G76 again, X30.16, Z-17, R0, P920, Q200, and F1.5. And then G28, and then T4, which is the fourth tool that we set in the tool catalog. After that, G97, S2000, and M03. Next will be G00, X0, and Z5. Next is G74, R3, and G74 again, which stands for the end of phase spec drilling, Z-75, Q10000, and F0.3. Next is G28, and then M05 to stop spindle rotation, and then M30 to end the control program.
There it is!
Yum, 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 yum. Delicioso! We did it! We did it! We did it! Yeah,
Yay,
Loisimo! We did it! Hooray!